The Dachshund has a special position among dog breeds. It occupies the entire Group 4 classification of the International Cynological Federation. Unprompted, Dachshund breeders all agree that once someone has had a Dachshund, they'll not change breed in the future. The captivating and tireless Dachshund has become one of the most popular pet dogs in the world today.
The characteristics of this remarkable dog result in specific nutritional requirements relating to the protection of articular capital, maintenance of muscle tone, and oral dental hygiene. It is thanks to the expertise of Dachshund breeders and the veterinarians and nutritionists at Royal Canin's Research and Development Center that Royal Canin has been able to launch Dachshund 28, the most precise response to the nutritional needs of the Dachshund.
The Dachshund's popularity across 5 continents is largely due to its very distinctive silhouette with very short, curved limbs. Originally, this body type was perceived as an advantage in hunting, since it enabled the dog to get into the burrows or earths easily. This hereditary characteristic is attributable to a modification of the bone growth, chondrodystrophy. The cartilages of conjugation, or growth cartilages of the long bones, harden prematurely, thus stopping limb growth early. The Dachshund is the breed most likely by far to have disc problems, and the period of maximum risk arrives very early, at between 3 and 7 years.
The synergic action of glucosamine and chondroitin sulfide helps protect the joints and maintain optimum hydration of the cartilages. The reinforced contribution of these 2 nutrients helps the joint cartilages to play their role as shock absorbers. Chondroitin sulfate contributes to the lubrification of the joints, and glucosamine stimulates the renewal of cartilage, in particular by helping the synthesis of collagen. Good joint health is encouraged with the incorporation of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA, DHA, which have recognized anti-inflammatory properties. Dachshund 28 protects the articular capital of the Dachshund.
Like many pet dogs, the Dachshund can be prone to weight gain. Regular exercise and strict portion control are essential to maintaining ideal weight. The battle against weight gain is all the more important in the Dachshund, where the effect of excess weight on an intrinsically fragile spinal column can have dramatic consequences. Developing muscle tone and maintaining ideal weight are therefore 2 key nutritional objectives.
With 28% protein and only 14% fat, Dachshund 28 provides the necessary nutrients to maintain muscle and limit the risk of excess energy intake. The introduction of conjugated linoleic acid encourages the maintenance of lean tissue at the expense of fatty reserves. Dachshund 28 also incorporates another nutrient, L-carnitine, for the mobilization of fat. L-carnitine is a vitamin which enables fatty acids to cross the mitochondrial membrane, an internal structure within the cells where oxidation of fatty acids takes place. By stimulating the transport and utilization of the fatty acids, therefore, L-carnitine reduces the amount stored while conserving lean body mass. Dachshund 28 maintains muscle tone and maintains ideal weight for the Dachshund.
The Dachshund's life expectancy makes it a champion of longevity. Because of this, owners see the progressive development of a number of the signs of aging. Less exuberant behavior, joint pains, a duller coat in which white hairs appear, a reduced appetite. It's essential that the Dachshund's food helps limit the effects of oxidative stress and keeps the digestion healthy for as long as possible.
An exclusive synergic antioxidant complex helps fight against the effects of aging and the free radicals responsible for oxidative stress. Dachshund 28 includes a reinforced contribution of vitamin E and vitamin C. The structure of vitamin E means it can be incorporated at the heart of the cellular membranes and thus play a major antioxidant role. Vitamin C has a synergic effect by regenerating vitamin E. The inclusion of selenium, grape polyphenols, and extracts of green tea provide an antioxidant effect 20 to 50% higher than that of vitamin E, also contributing to slowing down the aging process. Additionally, the high digestibility of the ingredients due to the optimal balance of fiber in both quality and quantity helps make dry material, proteins and fats more digestible and reduces fecal volume. The incorporation of fructooligosaccharides limits the quantity of putrefying bacteria in the large intestine, responsible for the odor of stools. Dachshund 28 slows down the effects of aging in the dachshund.
It's vital that the dachshund's food also takes account of its susceptibility to oral dental infections. The accumulation of dental plaque provokes inflammation of the gums and enlarges the subgingival space. Food debris accumulates in these pockets, and the bacterial flora which develop cause the gum to recede and eventually the loss of the tooth. The major objective, therefore, is to slow down the development of dental plaque, the bacterial biofilm which deposits itself on the tooth surface and quickly mineralizes to form tartar.
Thanks to its tailor-made shape and texture, the Dachshund 28 kibble provides a mechanical brushing action. The dog's teeth penetrate deeply into the kibble before it breaks. While remaining soft, the Dachshund 28 kibble forces the dachshund to crunch. What's more, the addition of calcium chelators such as sodium polyphosphate significantly limit the formation of tartar on the surface of teeth by trapping the salivary calcium. This prevents it from being used to form tartar. Dachshund 28's tailor-made kibble improves oral dental hygiene.
The unique characteristics of the dachshund demand a nutritional response perfectly adapted to its needs.
This has driven Royal Canin to launch in a world-exclusive Dachshund 28, a tailor-made food for the dachshund. Dachshund 28 protects the articular capital, helps build muscle tone and maintains ideal weight, slows down the effects of aging, preserves oral dental hygiene. Dachshund 28, the new nutritional revolution from Royal Canin.